hard to see, but it says April 20th, 2007. Which can be skip footage. Now the software program would have to reverse the image so it's more of a mirror. Because right now when I move my right hand, it looks like it's my left hand, so it's a little paradoxical. Like right hand, left hand. And on the screen it looks like right hand, left hand. Hey Abby. Abby, could you come here for a second? I want you to take a look. I don't know. Come over here. Who is that? Hey, who is that on the TV? Oh, can you dance on the TV?
Grace on the TV too.
Grace is on the TV too. Hey, is she dancing?
No.
No? Evie, how old are you? Show me how many fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No. Show me how old you are. Don't. How old?
2.
Okay, 3. Show how many fingers is that? How many fingers? Show me.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. So do the 3 with you. Yo, let's do the J-Rock dance. 3. Do it like this. Oh.
No, this.
Let me do it like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
Yeah.
like this.
Well, that's not 3. How many is that?
2.
Yeah. How old are you? Are you 2 or 3? 3. So you have to do it like this.
I'm not 2 anymore.
You're not 2 anymore. That's right. Oh, wait.
Bump each other.
We bump. Let's bump. Ready? We'll bump. Bump. Bump.
Bump.
That was a big bump. Try it again. Little bump. Little bump. Bump. Okay, can you do it like this?
What about this crazy dance?
Crazy dance. Whoa. Crazy dance. Crazy dance. Crazy dance.
Do crazy dance, Grace.
Okay, get it going. Let's see, can you snap? So the real innovation with this would be pretty simple. It'd just be reversing the image. Because, again, I go to my left, it looks like I go to my right. I go to my right, it looks like I go to the left. So I want the real mirror effect, so as if you were looking in the mirror.
Wash my hands.
Yeah, go wash your hands. Okay, let's go wash your hands. Alright, that's enough anyway. We're going live with this.